Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm sharing with you one of the most amazing recipe which is very delicious, very easy to make. It's a vegetable. Anyone can enjoy it and I'm pretty sure everyone is gonna like this recipe. So without further ado, let's make together very easy and very delicious Masala Bhindi, or you can say okra. So let's get started. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a pan, and in that pan we're gonna add some oil, and to that oil we're gonna add 1 kg of okra or bhindi. Now we're gonna fry our bhindi. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. You can see how beautiful that green color looks. Now after 5 to 10 minutes our okra is fried, and now we're gonna take it out and set it aside. Now in the same pan we're gonna add some more oil, and to that I'm gonna add 1 large chopped onion, and we're gonna fry our onion until it is translucent, and you can see those onions. So now our onions are ready. To our onions we're gonna add 2 cups of fresh tomato puree. 2 cups is around 4 to 5 large tomatoes. And to that I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can add salt according to your taste. After salt I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. After that I'm adding 3 whole green chili peppers. They're split in half. You can add more or less according to your flavor. And now we're gonna mix everything together and cover and cook until the tomatoes are soft, and you can see our tomatoes are getting there. Now you can taste it at this point and adjust salt and pepper according to your flavor, and we're gonna saute it until tomatoes are ready. Now our masala is ready, and to this masala we're gonna add our previously fried okra or bhindi, and we're gonna mix these all beautiful and delicious flavors together. You can see how beautiful it's coming together, and those colors look absolutely amazing. Now to this I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. After this I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, and I'm adding some more green chilies. You can add it if you want, if not it's gonna be okay. It's gonna turn out delicious regardless. And now we're gonna mix all these amazing flavors together. After this we're gonna cover it and we're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes our bhindi is ready, and you can see how delicious, how colorful it looks, and that masala has incorporated really well into our bhindi, and oh my god, I can't tell you, it was so good. So now we're gonna garnish it. I added some sweet peppers to it to give it an extra hint of flavor. You can add it or not, it's up to you. Now we're gonna mix it and then we're gonna serve it. Now we're gonna dish it out in my favorite plate. So you can see how amazing it looks. You can enjoy it with fresh naan and serve it in your next party. So our masala bhindi is ready, and you can see how amazing those colors look. And let's have another look at our bhindi. All those colors, all those peppers, everything came together really well. You can adjust salt and peppers according to your flavor. Either way, this veggies are amazing. It's an amazing vegetarian recipes. If your friends are vegetarian, or if not, you can enjoy it too. serve it to your guests at your next party, or just enjoy it anytime. So I really hope you liked this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos. Until next time, Allah Hafiz and take care.